Dental College is a part of Rashid Latif Medical Complex, and it is situated at the juncture of Lahore and Kasur. This is about 35 kilometers from Kalma Chowk, Lahore. The beauty of this Rashid Latif Dental College is all the facilities like the teaching in the medical college and practice medical sciences in the hospital and the dental basic sciences and dental clinic sciences. They are all located in one campus. The students, those are going to admitted here, they are having the hostel facility, and that is also inside the campus. Arif Memorial Hospital, Rashid Latif Dental College, and the medical complex in moreover is providing all types of health facilities like for College of Pharmacy, College of Physiotherapy, College of Allied Health Sciences. In the Rashid Latif Dental College is comprising of all the basic medical and dental sciences which are according to the bylaws, rules and regulations of Pakistan Medical Commission and the University of Health Sciences. This has got most modern clinical setup. It has got 75 dental units that are sufficient for 50 students teaching. The dental units comprised of all the clinical facilities, those are required for the patient's modern dental treatment. It has got digital dental x-rays, which is a common practice that no more film, there is a digital technology which is used in our campus. It's a paperless work, and all our patient's record is also computerized. The students, they have got the learning management system, and during the coronavirus, we were very successful in imparting our teaching by online teaching. And our information technology IT department is extremely well-equipped department which gives us the full support for teaching under these pandemic conditions. Moreover, we are equipped to have online lectures from outside Pakistan. Our foreign faculty, those are the eminent lecturers, the professors working outside Pakistan. They are leading teachers in their own subjects, and they are well recognized Pakistanis all over the world. So the college is taking support from those people, those are not even available in Pakistan. So this IT department is giving a full support for their teaching. Now, as far as the community health services are concerned, we have the full department of community dentistry, which is having 3 professors. And as far as the equipment is concerned, we have got the dental unit, which is a portable dental unit, and we establish the community health services by this. We do have a special clinic for dental implants. We have a special clinic for flexible dentures. We have all the surgical, minor surgical, major surgical procedures. We have connection with the cleft lip and palate patient's treatment and our orthodontic treatment. The Department of Orthodontics is extremely well established. The laboratory, those are comprising of oral pathology, dental materials, oral biology. They are extremely well equipped under the guidance of the extremely educated faculty. The Rashid Latif Dental College and the hospital is providing the dental treatment of 2,000 people in 1 year, and that is the beginning. We have just started from 2018, and now after two years we have reached up to 3,000 patients treatment a year. So dental, as far as the education is concerned, our technology-based learning, our manual work, our digital technology work, our simulation technology, they are world standard. So we, in our Rashid Latif Dental College, is patient's first concept hospital. We are providing the dental treatment at the extremely low cost. That is, our charges, dental treatment charges, are less than any other private sector college in the town. And we have also the facility to give a free dental treatment for the deserving one.